If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in advanced level where you are solving previous year IIT JEE questions on permutation combination. So in this lecture we will be solving from question number 1 to question number 8. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, so in question number 1 it is asked how many different 9-digit numbers can be formed from the number 22, 33, 55, 888 by arranging its digits so that the odd digits occupy the even position. So if you see how many positions are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 positions are there and you need to take even positions. Some of these want to take even position, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what are the digits? That odd digits. So odd digits are 3, 3, 5, 5. These 4 wants to take 4 positions. So first you place them in this 4 position because they want this 4 position. For others there is no problem, others can sit anywhere. So let them sit in these even positions. So there are 4 positions, 4 person, 4 factorial. Divide we will do later. 4 factorial. What repeat that we will divide. Multiply by, then how many digits are left? 5 digits will be left here and 5 places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 places, 5 digit, again 5 factorial. Now divided by how many repeats are there? So 3, 3, 5, 5, 2, then 888. So final answer is 60. Now if you come to question number 2, it is same as your JEE main question number 10, where it was 10 I guess, here it is 21. So in that questions what I have used, I have opened it using shortcuts, but you can use this formula also. I have explained this formula. So here I have used this formula. So if you are anyway, whatever you do, here answer will be 7. Now if you come to question number 3, the number of arrangements of the letter word banana in which no two ends don't want appear adjacently. So you don't want to sit let them sit together and they doesn't sit want to sit together. So what you will do, you will place other things. So we always do in this way, no two words together, we always do in such a way, you place the others and you put spaces between them and you try to fit an in between these. So if you fit in between these, they will never be together. So first you keep aside your n because n is problematic, they have some nakras, they don't want to sit together. So you put other things, b, a. So 4 things you can put it in 4 factorial ways. Now how many places you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 places you will sit them, you will make them sit these n's. So that is 5p2 you directly write, don't write c2, because if you take c2 then you have to again multiply by 2, again arrangement is there. So but here it is repeating, that's why it will be divided, but anyway you go for the general formula, 5 places 2 person 5p2, because it is repeating. At the end you divide by the repeating. How many a's? 3 a's. How many n? 2 n. So you divided, your answer is this. So again there is another approach also, but I am showing only one approach. In every questions you will find here 2-3 approach, but I am explaining only one. Number of points with integrated coordinate that lie inside this triangle, whose coordinates are 0, 0, 21, 0 and 0, 21. So it should be inside this one. So you see the top coordinate, this one, this point is 0, 21. So just below, because it should be integer, so just below this one it will be line of 20, next line will be of 20. This is the line of 20, y equal to 20, just below that one, y equal to 20 line. Now it will cut because the point should be 1, x plus y, that should be 21. You can see this straight line equation. Now you know this one, x by x intercept plus y by y intercept equal to 1. So the summation should be always 21 and it should be integer. So if it is coming to next integer, first it was 0, 21, next if you come to 1, 20. So this point will be 120, but that is on the line, so it is not inside. So if you come to next, this point will be 219. So there is a point now inside, that is 1, 19, this small point 1, 19. So similarly if you come to this line, the first line was 0, 1. So because it is 21, 0 and this is 20, 1. So from 1, 1 to 19, 1, all these 19 points are inside this one. So first one is 90, then 18. Similarly lastly we will got only 1 point. So it will be a series of this one. That answer is 1 n into n plus 1 by 2. N is 19, 19 into 19 plus 1, 20 by 2. 190 is the answer. Again there are other approach, I am skipping that. Now if you come to question number 5, using permutation of otherwise, prove that n square factorial is divided by n factorial to the power n is an integer, where n is a positive integer. So you have to prove it using permutation or all others. So it is better to, if you apply permutation. And one more idea, because there are n factorial to the power n, when we divide permutation divide by factorial, if there is a repeating things, so you take repeating things. How many repeating things are there? A is repeating n times, B is repeating n times, such n numbers are there. So that's why it will be n square. Total number will be 3 plus 3 plus 3. So it is 9. 9 is 3 square. Similarly, if there are n numbers, total numbers will be n from here, and total how many n's it will go? Up to n times it will go. So summation will be n square. So total factorial will be n factorial, and because these are repeating, you divide by repeating. You are doing the permutations of all these numbers. So you know permutation is always a integer. Permutation cannot be a fraction because it is giving a permutation. It should be an answer because it is giving arrangement. Arrangement is always in integers. Next, if you come to question number 6, a rectangle with sides 2m minus 1 and 2n minus 1 length is divided into squares of unit length by drawing parallel lines. You have drawn parallel lines this way also, you have drawn parallel lines of this way also, unit length as shown in the diagram. Then the number of rectangles forms with odd side length. The side length should be odd. Okay, 1 to 1 gap is of 1 unit. So the gap should be either 1 unit or 3 unit or 5 unit, that length. And so 2m minus 1, 2n minus 1, these two always are odd numbers. These you know. So suppose let me take a odd number for your simplicity and understanding. Let us say the 9 side length. Then the number of vertical line will be, if there are 9 side lengths, so it will be how many vertical line you can draw. If you are drawing 1 unit, if you see, if I am taking of 9 unit length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you divide it, there are how many vertical lines are there? 10 vertical lines. One will be added extra because you are opening from both sides. So similarly, if there are 2m vertical lines, because the length is of 2m minus 1, so how many vertical line? 2m. How many horizontal line? 2n. So that you have seen. Now suppose you select one vertical line, because you have to select 2 vertical line and 2 horizontal line, then a rectangle will be formed. So first you see how many from vertical lines, what you can do. Suppose you choose this vertical line. So you have option, you can choose 5 or 7. If you choose the 6th line, then you can choose 5, 7. Then the length is 1 unit, gap is 1 unit. If you choose, you can choose now 4 and 7, you cannot, 4 and 8 you cannot choose because the length will be 2. Because they are asking length should be odd unit. So next one after one it should be 3. So from 6 it is either 3 or 9. So again you can choose either 2 lines, these or these. Along with 6th you can choose another line. After 3 it is 5 units. So 5 unit here, this side you will not find, but this side 1 you will find. So you choose any line, you will see that correspondingly you will find 5 lines, such lines. So 5 lines, 5 is half of that 10. There are 10 lines. So you choose any line, you will get half number of lines available for you to choose, so that the length becomes odd. Similarly, for any V line, you will find half numbers of vertical line. So same case will be applicable for horizontal line. So you choose now 2 from the vertical, 2 from the horizontal. So first you have 2m vertical lines, you choose one line 2m plus 2mc1, and for one line you have chosen, you have now options of half of that one. Out of 10 you choose one, 6th line, and from that line you have 5 lines options. So out of that 5 you will choose one. So similarly from 2m you choose one, then half you have option from mc1. Similar thing from horizontal line also. Now one more thing, why this division is there? Because first you have chosen any line, then you have chosen another line. First you have chosen 6th line, then another line. So you have given importance to order, which one is we are choosing first, then which one is choosing second. But here they are asking just for selection, just to formation of rectangle. Which one you are choosing, but that doesn't make sense. So that order should be, identity should be lost. You should lose your identity, because which one is treating first, that should not come. Here you are choosing one line first, then second line. If it is 2mc2, then you are taking 2 at a time, then it is already lost. But if you are writing 2mc1, then again another one, that means you are choosing first one, then another one. So you are giving preference the order in which you are, order is, some sense of order is coming, so that has to be nullified. So that's why 2 things can be arranged by 2 factorial. That's why this division by 2 factorial here also it is coming. So the answer is m square n square. Now if you come to question number 7, if r, s, t are the prime numbers and p, q, r are the positive integers such that their LCMs of p, q is this much, then the number of ordered pair. One thing you can do, you choose a sample number, simple numbers, prime numbers you choose p, q, so that it becomes easy for you. Let me choose to understand it will be easy for me. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, the smallest prime numbers will let me take, and LCM is, it is 2 square, 3 to the power 4 and 5 square. Then the number of ordered pair. Now for this you choose one by one, because in LCM, if I am writing 2 numbers, so in LCM all these factors should come. What do you do? Suppose you took LCM of 10, you take LCM of 10 and 12. So you write 2 into 5, 2 into or 2 square into 3. Then first you start with 2, one common and one extra, that will also, that is the highest power. So similarly you think 1 by 1. So if you first put 2, think for 2. So PQ you can have in P no 2, 1 2, 2 2. Similar, these options we have. Now for node P, suppose in P there is, in 10 there is no 2. So you need 2 2. So all both the 2 should be in 12. That's why in LCM it will come. If you have 1 2, then you can have 2 2s here. You should have 2 2s because 1 2 will be coming from extra 1 should also be in Q. If you have 2 here, you can be 0 here. It can be 1 here. It can be 2 here if there is 2. Okay. So these are the 5 cases you have possibilities. Similarly for 5 square also you will have 5 cases. From 3 to the power 4, now you again try 0 1 2 3 4, you start with first. For 0 it should be 4, for 1 also there should be 4, for 2, because highest should be 4, for 3 it should be 4, for here it is 4, then again you want to have 0 2. So here 9 cases. So total cases will be 5 into 5 into 9, that is 2 to 5 cases. So because we have chosen this square, these things, this 2 3 5 doesn't come in the picture. These powers are coming in the picture, and power is the original power. I have not done anything in the power. So that's why total cases will be 2 to 5, because if you can think, or you have taken care of this, then it is done, LCM. So one event, all are occurring simultaneously, so into. Next, the letter of the words Cochin are permuted, and all the permutations are arranged in alphabetical order in an English dictionary. The number of words that appear before the word Cochin. So Cochin is which number? It is 3rd number, 4th number, or 8th number. That's what they are asking. So in a dictionary, this is always ordered in alphabetical order. The first alphabet will come first. So in Cochin, first letter is C. So what you will do, you start to write how it will be the first letter. It will be C. The next first integer is, out of this O, C, H, I, N. Which one coming first? C. So next C. So it is gone now C. Now H, I, N, O. What is the first terms, the first alphabet that comes? That is H. Next I, N, O. What is the first? Then I. Next I, N, O. Which one is the first? N. O is the last. So the first word will be this one, if we are arranging this one. So let me see in how many ways I can arrange this one. So if you see this arrangement, that will be starting with CC, because C and C is fixed. This 2 position is fixed. So there is HINO. HINO in how many ways it can arrange? 4 factorial. Next, what is the word? This C you keep in fixed. Next, whatever words it is done with C, first it will try with C. C it will try other combinations. With C, first letter will be C. And then next, if all the C's are done, next alphabet will come. Next alphabet will H. Next it will start with CH. In dictionary we see in this way, na? So H. So with H, how many options again you have? All these 4s are again different. H, C, A, C, I, N, O. Again this will have 4 factorial. Now with H, if it is done, next word will I will come. Again 4 factorial. Next N will come. Again 4 factorial. Next O will come. Now once O will come, you think now, because CO is our necessary. After O, which one will come? After O, again the number which is alphabet which is coming first is C. So that will come. After C, you think next one was what? H. After that, next out of IN, I will come first, then N. So ultimately you got this Cochin out of all other combination. After all this combination, suppose somewhere you are not getting it, suppose it is NI, so you stop, try how many letters are there with NI, then next to comes to next word, see whether Cochin is available. So you can see 96 is out of this, 4 factorial into 4. Then, so this word will be 97th word. Then which word, the number of words that appear before the word Cochin is 96 is the answer. In some time they will ask you what is the rank of this word Cochin, then it will be 97th word. So you have to be careful what they are asking. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.